Hello guys, we're outside. It's good weather today. There is Jacob. Hey Jacob, say hello. 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 Ayan guys, andito kami sa labas. It's good weather. Nag-walking kami. Walang stroller. Binaglakad ko lang siya. Ayan. Pero hindi kami magtatagal. Oh my God, nahiga na siya. What are you doing? Intiliga dar. Dirty. It's not snow. Nay, inte snow, darling. Liga inte. No, dirty. Ay, Jacob. Look at your hand now. Oh, kulahandan. Dirty. The smooth signo. Oh no, nahiga ang bata. Wait until the snow come. Wait until the snow come. It's coming soon, the snow. Come here now. Come here. We go back at home now.
No.
Kuya, ate ko may start. Yeah. Dukan Rikna. Rikna, eat. 2. Jacob. Ay, come on. Nahihilo ako sa iyo. Come on.
Dima fake cow.
Saida,
Dima hate cow.
vill du bygga hus?
No.
What you will do?
Sitta.
Vad ska du göra? You will building a house?
Ja.
Vill du bygga hus?
Ja.
Nice weather guys. Wala kaming susi sa bahay. So yung bahay ngayon is hindi nakalak. Hindi kami lumayo ng husto. Ito lang kami. Malapit.
Sitta.
Yeah. Ayan guys, nalaglag na yung mga dahon lahat. Oh. Pero yung ano, yung parang pine tree guys, hindi yan nalalaglag yung dahon. Yeah. Hindi sila natutulog pag winter. Yung mga ibang kahoy lang tulog. Ayan, meron pang kulay dilaw doon. Oh. Hindi pa nauubos. Mag-winter na guys. In 2 weeks. Winter na. Come on.
No.
Come on guys. Uwi na kami guys. Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Say. Thank you for watching.
Hate you. See.